Hello guys and welcome back on channel. Today I show you how to answer for the question for new quiz for the cryptocurrency MEW. So if you're interested, let's start. First, log into your Revolut account, go to section crypto, scroll below, section features and button learn. Push button on MEW and we have two lessons. After this lesson and quiz, we get some cryptocurrency. So let's go to lesson number 1. Read about this. And now we can start quiz. What market cap did MEW achieve shortly after its launch in March 2024? 900 millions. How is MEW expanding its presence beyond the meme coin space? Creating quality animated content. Which of these is considered a meme coin risk? Emotional investing. And submit. Very nice. First lesson is done. We can go to lesson number 2. Read about this lesson. And if you're ready, we can go to the quiz number 2. What is a MEW mission in Dog City? Free the rats from the oppression of shebacks. What sets MEW apart as a hero in Dog City? His mystical power and hacking skills. What is the total supply of MEW tokens? 88.8 billion. Submit. Nice. Congratulations. We finished our lesson and we earned some MEW. Like you see, show more. And it is. Or not this. Cat in the dog's words here. So I got a bit MEW tokens. It's not a big amount, but still some money for free. If you want to know how to answer for the rest of the quiz, go to my previous videos. I explain for the all quiz how to answer for these questions. If you have question for this topic, put this question below this video.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.